Good morning, students. This is Maithili, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, St. Anne's Arts and Science College. Dear students, today we are going to see the next, that is a different types. That is a, suppose a problem is given, the condition is also given, we have to find the initial value problem. So the last classes we saw the three types of finding the particular integral. That is, the first method is of the e power ax, and second method is sin ax on cos ax. The third method is a x power n method. But this is a problem of finding the initial value problem. See the first problem. Find the solution of the following initial value problem, that is y2 dash minus 5y dash plus 6y is equal to 0. For this is a given equation and the condition is given, that is y of 1 is equal to e power e power 2 and y dash of 1 is equal to 3 into e power 2. Y of 1 is nothing but e power 2 and y dash of 1 is equal to 3 into e power 2. So first we have to find the complementary function. The same procedure. First write the given equation as d square y minus 5 into yd plus 6y is equal to 0. This is nothing but d square minus 5d plus 6 of y is equal to 0. What is the auxiliary equation is nothing but m square minus 5m plus 6 is equal to 0. So finding the roots, we get m minus 2, m minus 3 is equal to 0. That is nothing but m is equal to 2 and m is equal to 3. For C, the roots are real and distinct. So what is the complementary functions? C1 e power m1x plus C2 e power m2x. Sometimes we can write it as a e power m1x plus b e power m2x. Sometimes C1, C2 can be written as a and b. So instead of a and b, you can write C1 and C2 also. That is also right one. But here we have to find the solution. So I take the constant as a and b. So C1 and C2, a and b both are correct constants only. But for finding the initial value initial value problem, I take the constant as a and b. So the solution, complementary function y is equal to a into e power 2x plus b into e power 3x. This is nothing but y of x. Therefore, what is the equation? Y of x is equal to a into e power 2x plus b into e power 3x. Mark it as equation number 1. Next, we have to differentiate the y of x. That is, y dash of x is nothing but a is a constant. So, keep as it is a into differentiation of e power 2x is nothing but e power 2x into 2 plus b into e power 3x into 3. For we get y dash of x is nothing but 2a e power 2x plus 3b e power 3x. So mark it as equation number 2. Then what is the condition is given? What's the condition is given? Y of 1 is equal to e power 2. Y of 1. So when taking the first condition, y of 1 is equal to e power 2. So put x is equal to 1 in the first equation. In the first equation, we have to put in the place of x is equal to 1. So y of 1 is equal to a into e power 2 plus b into e power 2. B into e power 3. What is given condition? Y of 1 is equal to e power 2. So substitute e power 2. Therefore, e power 2 is equal to a into e power 2 plus b into e power 3. Mark it as equation number 3. And next, what condition is given? Y dash of 1 is equal to 3 into e power 2. Y dash of 1. So put x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 in what is the second condition? That is y dash of x. We have to put x is equal to 1 in y dash. That is second condition, second equation, y dash of x. So y dash of 1 is equal to 2 into a e power 2 plus 3 into b e power 3. That is, put x is equal to 1 in equation 2. So what we get after substituting x is equal to 1? What condition is given? Y dash of 1 is nothing but 3 into e power 2. So substitute that value. So 3 into e power 2 is equal to 2 into e power 2 plus 3 into 2a into e power 2 plus 3b into e power 3. Mark it as equation number 4. Now solving this equation 3 and 4, we have to find the values of a and b. That is the procedure. So after substituting the condition, we get the equation 3 and equation 4. Now we have to solving these two equation 3 and 4. Now write the fourth equation as it is. What is the fourth equation? 2a e power 2 plus 3b e power 3 is equal to 3 into e power 2. And see the third equation, we have to multiply by 3 on both sides. So in the third equation, multiplying 3 on both sides. So we get the third equation multiplying 2. The third equation multiplying 2 on both sides. We get 2 into a e power 2 plus 2 into b e power 3 is equal to 2 into e power 2. Okay. Now changing the signs. So after changing the signs, the terms 2a e power 2 minus 2a e power 2 getting cancelled. So we get 3b minus 2b is nothing but b into e power 3 minus 3 e power 2 minus 2 e power 2 is equal to e power 2. So b is nothing but e power 2 by e power 3. So b is nothing but e power 2 minus 3 is nothing but e power minus 1. So we get b is equal to e power minus 1. Now substitute the equation, substitute the value b is equal to e power minus 1 in third equation. So we get the equation a. So what is we get? So a into e power 2 plus b into e power 3 is equal to e power 2. So what is the third equation? The third equation you have to substitute b is equal to e power minus 1. So substitute a into e power 2 plus e power minus 1 into e power 3 is equal to e square. That is a into e power 2 plus e power minus 1 into e power 3, it becomes e square. So e square is equal to e square. So a into e square is nothing but e square minus e square becomes 0. So we get a is equal to 0. Now we get the value for a is equal to 0 and b is equal to e power minus 1. So substitute these two values in the first equation. So we get y of x is equal to a into e power 2x plus b into e power 3x. So in the place of a and b, substitute 0 and e power minus 1. Therefore, y of x is equal to 0 into e power 2x plus e power minus 1 into e power 3x. So we get y of x is nothing but e power 3x minus 1. This is a solution for the first problem. Similarly, the same one for the second problem. y2 dash minus 6 y dash plus 5y is equal to 0. What's the condition is given? Y of 0 is equal to 3 and y dash of 0 is equal to 1. So this is a condition is given. So first find the complementary functions. So after finding the complementary functions, write y of x. Y of here in this problem, y of x is nothing but a into e power 5x plus b into e power x. So first find y dash of x. Mark y of x as first equation. So after finding the complementary function, write y of x and mark the y of x as the equation number 1. And next find y dash of x. So y dash of x is nothing but just differentiation. So we get a e power 5x into 5 plus b e power x. So y dash of x we get 5a e power 5x plus b into e power x. Okay. This is we get y of x and y dash of x. What is the condition is given? First condition is y of 0 is equal to 3. So put x is equal to 0 in equation number 1. So we get y of 0 is equal to e power 5 into 0 plus b into e power 0. So we get y of 0 is equal to a plus b. So what is the equation? Y of 0 is equal to 3. So substitute 3 is equal to a plus b. Mark it as equation number 3. And next, what the second condition is given? Y dash of 0 is equal to 11. So you have to put x is equal to 0 in equation number 2. So we get y dash of 0 is equal to 5 in a into e power 0 plus b into e power 0. So we get 11 is equal to 5a plus b. Mark it as equation number 4. Now solving this equation 3 and 4, we get a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. So after finding a and b, substitute the values of a and b in first equation. We get the initial value problem. That is y of x is nothing but 2 into e power 5x plus e power x. Right. See the next one. The same model. Y2 dash plus 5 plus 4y dash plus 2y is equal to 0, comma y of 0 is equal to minus 1 and y dash of 0 is equal to 2 plus 3 root 2. This is a condition is given. So we have to using the formula method to find the complementary function. So here the complementary function, the roots are minus 2 plus root 2 minus 2 minus root 2. That is the roots are real and distinct. So this is of the first type, that is y is equal to a e power m1x plus b e power m2x. So what is this complementary function? Y is equal to a into e power minus 2 plus root 2x plus b into e power minus 2 minus root 2x. And mark it as this as equation number 1, that is y of x. And then find y dash of x. What is y dash of x? Simple, nothing but a into e power minus 2 plus root 2x into minus 2 plus root 2 plus b into e power minus 2 minus root 2x into minus 2 minus root 2. Okay. And then y dash of x is equal to, you have to write the equation y dash of x is equal to equation number 2. And substitute the condition. What condition? Y dash of 0 is equal to 2 plus root 3. 2 plus 3 root 3. What is given? What the condition is given here? Y of 0 is equal to minus 1. Y dash of 0 is equal to 2 plus 3 root 2. So, right. So, first, so you have to, so here the equation number 3 is missing, girls. So, first we have to write y of 0. So, put x is equal to 0 and find the third equation, and put x is equal to 0 and find the fourth equation. That is 2 plus 3 root 2. We get third equation and fourth equation. So, after solving equation 3 and 4, we get b is equal to minus 2 and a is equal to 1. So, after solving the a and b, and write y of x is nothing but a into e power minus 2 plus root 2x plus b into e power minus 2 minus root 2 into x. So, substitute the values of a and b, we get the solution. Okay. So, in this problem, so after finding equation number 1 and 2, find equation number 3. So, what is equation number 3? We have to put x is equal to 0 in the first equation. When we put x is equal to 0 in the first equation, what we get? Y of 0 is equal to minus 1. No. So, we get minus 1 into a into e power 0 plus b into e power 0. That is equation number 2. And next, second condition, we have to substitute y dash of 0 is equal to 2 plus 3 root 2. So, we get the fourth equation. Okay. So, after finding equation 1 and 2, find third equation and then find fourth equation. Right, girls? Okay, girls, please go through the problem. This is an important 5 marks type. So, if you have any doubt means you can ask me, I will clear your doubts. Okay, students, thank you.